If you want to learn how to edit your website on Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to open your website editor, update your content, change images, and make basic design edits without getting lost in complicated menus. This is a great tutorial if you're just getting started with Bluehost, or if you simply want a faster way to make changes to your site. And if this video helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps the tools for managing your site. If you have more than one website connected to your account, take a moment to find the exact one you want to edit. That way, you don't accidentally open the wrong site. After you've found your website, click Edit Site. This will launch the website editor and take you directly into the page builder. From here, you can start making changes right away without needing to dig through confusing settings. Bluehost makes this process fairly simple, especially if your goal is just to update text, swap out images, or add new sections. Now let's go over the main editing tools. If you want to change text, just click on any text box on the page. Once you click it, you can type in your new words, delete old content, or rewrite the section completely. This is the fastest way to update headlines, paragraphs, service details, or homepage text. If you want to change an image, click on the image you want to replace. Bluehost should give you the option to swap it out for another file from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. This is useful if you're updating product photos, team photos, banner images, or any visuals on your site. You can also add new content blocks to your page. Look for the plus icon at the top of the editor. That icon is usually used to add things like buttons, videos, text sections, image blocks, or other elements. If your page needs a call to action button or an extra section, this is where you would add it. As you make changes, take your time and preview the page if possible. That way you can see how everything looks before publishing. It's always a good idea to check spacing, image placement, and text size so your website looks clean and professional on both desktop and mobile. Once you're happy with the edits, make sure to save or publish your changes so they go live on your website. If you skip this part, your updates may not appear to visitors, so always double check that your work has been saved before you leave the editor. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit your website on Bluehost, including how to open the editor, update text, replace images, and add new blocks to your page. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your site fresh and up to date without needing any coding experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple website guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.